Hi there, students. A pioneer, a person. To pioneer, a verb. Pioneering as an adjective. Okay, let's see. A pioneer is somebody who goes first, who goes before anybody else. Yeah, particularly somebody who goes into the wilderness, into wild, uncharted lands, and prepares the way for other people to follow. So, for example, in the US, a pioneer normally refers to a settler, somebody who migrated to uninhabited lands. Yeah, the people who migrated west and started settling the west, because originally Europeans only were in the east of the United States, and then the pioneers went west. Yeah, and that's the idea of pioneers. But we very often use this word pioneer to talk about somebody who opens up new areas of thought, new areas of research, new areas of development. So, yeah, I guess Charles Babbage was a pioneer in the world of computing, 19th century. Okay, so a pioneer, somebody who goes first. Yeah, one of the first people to do something. Yeah, Marie Curie was one of the pioneers of radioactivity. He's a pioneering brain surgeon. Yeah, he's pioneering a new technique. Yeah, so he's the first to apply a new method or one of the first to develop a new method, to gain knowledge in a new area or a new activity. So to pioneer a technique, you're starting with it. What's it? Dr. Christian Barnard was a pioneer in heart surgery. Yeah, to pioneer a technology. Yeah, you start out with it. To pioneer an idea. Yeah, he pioneered the study of this organic chemical. Yeah, he was the first person to do it. Yeah, so they pioneer a particular area of activity. One of the pioneers of there we go, sorry about that. He was one of the pioneers of photojournalism. Yeah, Amelia Earhart was a pioneering pilot. Yeah, he pioneered research into DNA. Yeah, they are pioneering new techniques of carbon capture. Yeah, this technique was pioneered by Joe Bloggs. And then a pioneer as well, somebody who leaves where they've been living and goes into new areas, new land, to settle new land. A settler, a pioneer, an explorer, a colonist, a colonizer. Yeah, they are the first people to go, and that's effectively the same idea. So a pioneer, an innovator, a developer. Yeah, or to go and colonize new places, to boldly go where no man has gone before. Yeah, to go into the wilderness, to prepare the way for others to get there. Let's see, in a military sense, although it's a bit obsolete, you can have the pioneer corps, and these are effectively the engineers. They make roads, they dig trenches, they make bridges. I think nowadays you'd call this person a sapper. Yeah, okay, so to pioneer. Yeah, pioneering. He's one of the pioneering fathers of this technique. Okay, formality, to pioneer. I'm going to give it a 6. I think to start, informally. I think you could just about use to pioneer informally, although probably better in a semi-formal writing or conversation, or in something formal. And then as to origin, well, this comes from French. Let's see, from modern French, pion, peon, a foot soldier, yeah, pionnier, a foot soldier. This is related to the word a pawn in French, or un peon in Spanish, a manual worker, yeah, an agricultural worker. Okay, so pioneer, what, to boldly go where no one has gone before. Well, that's the idea. A pioneer of modern civilization. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pioneer, pioneering.